But you here? Okay, that's great, because we gonna make a video today. I don't know if you remember about that video that I've made some time ago. I'll place a link somewhere here about the bonnet. Sometimes we can't open it. That happened to some people, and obviously it's rather a pain to have to dismantle the car to be able to open it. So that's something I would like to adjust and be finished with. Okay, so in today's video we're gonna be dealing with that. How we can fix that problem? It's easier than we think, because the cable to open the latch goes right under, and there's something to adjust it. Okay, so the reason why some people can't open the bonnet is because the cable is has a bit too much of lack. Okay, so I won't be able to show it to you filming how to adjust it, but I'll place a picture on the video, and like that you will see it. Okay, how does it work? It works a bit like a bicycle. Okay, when you want to adjust the brakes, you will see near the caliper there's usually a bolt with some nuts that you can adjust. Okay, so it's the same principle. Okay, there's two nuts that will unscrew, and then we'll be able to unscrew the bolt, okay, that way. So it will have the effect to tense more the cable. Okay, once it's done, then we're gonna tighten it again. How we loosen it and tighten it? We use 2 spanner of 10. Okay, very easy. Okay, so once it's done, once you're happy with how you have pulled it, then close the bonnet and try it, and it should work. So you see that is probably the fastest video I've made so far. It is now adjusted, so moment of truth, see if it works. That's it. It moved, perfect. Okay, so as you can see, problems like that are very easy to fix. Okay, I hope that you have liked the video. Please subscribe. More subscribers we've got on the channel, more I will make videos. Okay, and for the meantime, I hope that you have liked the video, and we'll see each other in the next one. See ya.